Here's a question for you all. Do you get enough sunlight? Hello, I'm Asaki Matsuzaki, a psychiatrist. Today, let's talk about the relationship between light and mental health. We spend our daytime hours in the sunlight. In fact, this act of being exposed to light is extremely important for maintaining mental health. You might feel like you already knew that, but let me explain it properly. In particular, it has been found that depression and light are closely related. It is thought that a decline in the functioning of the brain's serotonin system is deeply involved in the background of depression, and serotonin plays an important role in stabilizing mood and maintaining emotional balance. And when serotonin becomes deficient or fails to function properly, low mood and loss of motivation, symptoms of depression, are more likely to appear. So why does being exposed to light lead to an improvement in depression? Well, this is a difficult topic, one that even general psychiatrists may not fully grasp, and it involves a series of technical terms. But for now, just listen. I'll give you a simple summary at the end. Our eyes contain many cells that detect light. Among them, the retinal ganglion cells deliver incoming light information from the eyes to the brain. And this light information travels through a neural pathway called the retinorf pathway and reaches the dorsal raphe nucleus in the brain. The dorsal raphe nucleus is precisely the place where serotonin-producing neurons are gathered. In short, the place where light signals arriving from the retina end up is the dorsal raphe nucleus. There, the neurons that produce serotonin are activated and sufficient serotonin is released. When you are exposed to light, serotonin is produced. In fact, it has already been confirmed that exposure to light increases the concentration of serotonin in the blood. Conversely, when insufficient exposure to light continues, the secretion of serotonin decreases, and it has been found that the risk of developing depression increases. So now that we know this mechanism, what should we do? The answer is super simple. Let's get sunlight during the day. I imagine that even before watching this video, you thought it would be better to spend the day in a bright place with sunlight rather than in a dark cave-like environment all day long. But now you know that the light entering your eyes is the switch that triggers serotonin production in the brain. That being the case, from today, when you get sunlight, you may imagine serotonin being released from your brain, and it might make you want to get even more sunlight. If possible, get sunlight in the morning. If you are exposed to light at night, melatonin, the substance that guides you to sleep, will be suppressed. Getting sunlight in the morning, or at least during the day, also improves your sleep at night. Getting sunlight is not something special. It's a form of mental care that anyone can do. In the treatment of depression, of course, medication and psychotherapy are central. But getting sunlight during the day is also an important part of treatment. So, for the sake of your mental health, I truly hope you make a conscious effort to get sunlight. That's all.